What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. So you guys, I'm here in Walmart and I was just gonna get right to my grocery list and my little, to-do list, but I got distracted, you guys. I looked down the Valentine's Day aisle and I saw all these cute new towels. I believe these are all just $1.94. I have to say, these feel really nice. These up here feel like a dollar towel. These don't feel as nice or absorbent, but they're also $1.94. So I'll just show you guys what varieties we have. I'm loving the stripes, but I wish it was one of the more absorbent, nice quality, softer varieties down here. And they're all 15 inches by 25 inches. Look at this pretty one. Birdy and I love these colors for spring. We love the mint green and the pretty orange or the coral color. So pretty. And then down here we have the pot holder and oven mitt sets. This says Be My Valentine. These are also just $1.94. Oh, look at this one. So cute. So this is what the set would look like together. So for under $5, you get yourself something cute for the kitchen or a cute little gift maybe for your best friend or your mom or your sister. Add it to a gift bag. Put some other goodies in there. Oh, this one's cute. Happy Valentine's Day. So you could do this one with that set if you wanted, or this setup here. I think it probably goes with this one a little bit better. And then we have one more. This one right here. Which one does this one go with? Let's see. Possibly. I think it probably goes with this one best. Yeah. And then we have some vinyl tablecloths as well. And those are $3.94. They are 60 inches by 84 inches. I love this one. So pretty. These are $2.98. Kitties and dogs. That one's so cute. And this store has a lot of things that I haven't seen in the other Walmarts that I've been to. So cute. Love You to the Moon and Back. I'm seeing that so much for this Valentine's Day. Then we have some 98-cent gel clings. Be My Valentine and hearts and love and a happy Valentine's Day. This coat is out of place here. I think all these coats are like $7. These are kids' coats and most of them are on clearance. I don't know, you guys. It's here on the Valentine's Day aisle. Let's see. Yeah, $7 for kids' coats. I think this one is really pretty. All the party favors, $1.98 each, and then these are 98 cents each. These are so cute. I love these. Aww. You get 2 of each. Oh, that's so cute. I like you a bot. And what's this? Little notebooks or little notepads. Oh, snappy Valentine's Day. That is so cute with the gator. Ooh, eraser rings. These are always so cute. And they're really heavy. They're really solid. You get 12 for $1.98. So cute. 18 tattoo boxes. 4 tattoos in each box. What else? Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so cute. Look at this for 98 cents. It's a little sticker album. Everything is very cute and kawaii. You get 50 stickers, and the album has 14 pages. So cute. So there's this one. Oh, let me see. Maybe I can lift it up. Oh, I can. Look, you guys. Those are so adorable. And let's see what else we have. Let's see if there's any other food ones. Oh, I think they're all the same. And then we have the hearts. I was really hoping there would be some other ones. I wanted to find that cute sloth one. And then we have this one, which is just nothing but hearts. And then we have some owls here too. And these are all foam stickers, again for 98 cents. This is a little pack of game tablets. That's so cute. Word search, tic-tac-toe, mazes, and more. We have the dog. We have the robot. And let's see, I think that's it. And I'm on my tiptoes. I think we have some really cute erasers for 98 cents too though. Let's see. Oh yeah, these are 98 cents each. And that's the same. I think they're all the same. These are so cute. Can you imagine a bunch of little girls running around wearing these at a Valentine's Day party? Maybe having some little jewels or bling or whatever on them. That would be so cute. Okay, we even have a 98-cent banner. I like that. Okay, what else do we have, you guys? Let's just stroll down the aisle. Bodycology, Truly Yours, Coconut Hibiscus, Sweet Love. I think all of these are older fragrances. Cherry Blossom. And then these are totally new down here. We have the Luxe Perfumery Body Mists or Fragrance Mist. This one is Cactus and Orchid. And then we have what is this one? Plumeria Passion. And these are $5.98 each. I think they gave us a couple testers. And then we have Vanilla Rose. Hot Cherry Bomb. All of these are 8 ounces. And then we have a Shimmer Mist in Hot Cherry Bomb. I tried on the Hot Cherry Bomb before I started filming, and it smells really familiar, like something from Bath & Body Works. Sweet something or other. It's something I have at home. This definitely smells like a dupe. Let's go ahead and smell Plumeria Passion. I'm gonna spray it. That's nice, you guys. That smells really good. Yeah, I like that. The Vanilla Rose, I'm not going to spray it because it's not a tester, but it smells nice. Yeah, this Hot Cherry Bomb, both of these Hot Cherry Bombs I think probably smell pretty similar. Again, you guys, these are the Luxe Perfumery Fragrance Mists. And look, you guys, we have some new lip balms from Hershey's. I saw a couple of these at Walgreens. I think I saw the coconut cream. Actually, I think I've seen all of these at Walgreens. We have birthday cake, cherry cordial, coconut cream, and strawberry cream, and then some repeats. Yeah. This looks nice. Shea Sugar Scrub in Moroccan Rose for $6.48. All nice Valentine's Day gifts. Martinelli's and Welch's, you can't go wrong there. We have this whole area down here, mostly stickers and gift bags. I think we have some new shareable heart pillows in throws. You guys know I have the cactus one here. I really love it. I'm really happy with it. This was $9 something. These are all $9.97. So we have this one here with the hearts. And then we have the navy and pink. Ooh, so pretty. This one is pie themed, I think. Sweetie pie. Hearts and maybe cupcakes or pies. Hearts. You guys, these are definitely worth it for a $10 gift. They're so cute. I want all of them. All of these vinyl tablecloths are just $3.96. And I don't use these on my main table, but sometimes these are really cute to use on a picnic table. And they even have some cactus ones down below, you guys. Let me show you some of the cactus ones. They're so cute. I think it's just all one pack, all one variety. These are so cute. I love the pineapple. I love this tropical one. I think the tropical one is so gorgeous. It has parrots on it and hibiscus and kind of like paint splatter marks. It's just really imperfect and pretty. I think maybe, what is that? Oh, I can't think of what that flower is called. I want to say plumeria, but I don't think that's it. These are so cute, you guys. So cute. And just $3.96. I think that's it for me. I think I'm gonna finish up my shopping in here. I need to get just a couple groceries and some boring items, water softener, salt, and some new shirts and socks for Bunny. So I just wanted to film a little something for you guys, show you what's new in my store and what's cute. I know some people are probably thinking, well, it's the same in every Walmart. No, it's not. It really isn't. Every Walmart I go to, you may see some of the same things, but you might see totally different things, you know, in every different Walmart that you go in. I know that this one, really varies from the other one that's a few miles from here. So hey you guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video and you want to see more Shop With Me's, please let me know you do by hitting the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button and subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.